going to share why you don't own your social media audience and how to fix it. If Instagram died tomorrow, would you have an audience to speak to? When we build our audience on social media channels, we're building an audience on a platform that we don't own. Now, don't get me wrong, I love social media and it's helped me grow my business so much. But now we need to shift our focus to email marketing. Building your audience on only social media is kind of like renovating a home that you don't own. It's like renovating a home you're renting. You've created the perfect Pinterest board for your new kitchen, you've upgraded the bathroom, you've added a walk-in wardrobe, and then bam, the landlord comes in and tells you to move out. All that time and money spent building, and you've got nothing to show for it because you don't own it. So that's what happens when we build our audience only on social media. This is why we must start building our email list. It's an audience that we have direct contact with, an audience that we own. And the great thing about email is there's no algorithm between you and your customer. So today I'm going to just share a few things you should know about email marketing, and I'm hoping I'll convince you to start building your email list. Now, the goal of email marketing is to build direct relationships with your customers through nurture campaigns. These nurture campaigns allow you to set up an automated system to consistently connect with your customer. This means more customers, more sales, and a happy business owner. So if you need a little more convincing, I've got a few stats I want to share with you. Email marketing produces $44 for every dollar you spend. The return on investment from email is huge. 59% of marketers say that email is their biggest source of ROI. And shoppers spend 138% more when marketed to through email compared to those who don't receive email offers. Honestly, your email list isn't just about building relationship, it's actually your sales machine. So it's really the best time to start building it. The one thing I wish I'd done sooner in my business is start email marketing. So please don't wait, start small and start today. And if you're not sure where to start, don't worry, we've got more email list building strategies coming your way in the next episodes. Go get them.